Hello, think we're live now. Thought I hit the wrong button. Making sure. Just doing kind of a closing, hopefully for the night, update here. Let's make sure the mic's on. Yes. Oh, had the volume up on that because I was watching Brett's stream, which let me tell you, I'm not going to, this is out of the area. He's along I-10 right now, actually. If you were watching earlier, I had Brett Adair's stream up, and he's heading into Crowley right now. And without putting audio up or anything, I want to show you what he's dealing with. This is nasty. He is right in the thick of that squall line. I think he's trying to punch ahead of it, or he's looking for damage or something, but my goodness, that is some gross weather right there. Sideways rain, crazy wind, and all that stuff. So that's what's going on there. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on across our area. Evangeline Parish still seeing some very heavy rainfall. We have this line that's moving through St. Landry, but fortunately for right now, most of the area is free of warnings. Now, we do have this warning down here that's clipping southern parts of Evangeline and Allen Parish, and that Allen Parish part should be cleared shortly. And then extreme southern St. Landry Parish. So we still do have those warnings going on for severe thunderstorms. Actually have a tornado warning for a very impressive, let me show you this. I'm going to pull up Lake Charles radar and get into this. This right here, very, very strong signature of a tornado. I'll put it in motion. Well, actually, I'm going to just step back a little bit and do this. And you can see this thing really come together right there over a pretty unpopulated area there, just northeast of Grand Chenier and North Island. And that storm is continuing on to the southeast. It's going to be heading over mainly some marshland and then down toward Pecan Island. So possibly some issues down there with that. Now, locally, we have that very heavy rainfall continuing across parts of the area, but one interesting feature, I noticed a 10 millibar, which is significant, a 10 millibar pressure drop out at the Fort Johnson site. And yes, I believe they did drop. You know what? Hold on. Let me do this first. I see that question about the tornado watch. It should be should be dropped. But when I go in here, it's probably not going to show it exactly what I want. Yeah, so that's basically 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts are happening. We have a wake low, so 10 millibar pressure drop. When you get a big pressure drop like that, you're going to see, especially over the course of like 20 minutes, you're going to see some strong wind. So I'm sure I'm going to start getting a lot of comments and messages about that wind that's cranking up as the rain goes away. You can see the clear air is coming in here, but it is really, really windy out there. Yeah, pretty strong wind in Leander, got scary at Fort Johnson. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Behind this massive rain right here, we're getting some really strong winds. At last check at Fort Johnson, it was gusting to 39. Let me pull that up and just see what we have here in our most recent gust. No, that tornado watch, they still are letting it ride. I mean, I think it's time to go. And really, the only threat I see for severe weather is across our extreme southeastern parts, St. Landry Parish mainly, and then extreme southeastern Evangeline possibly. But that's ending quickly. Okay, so I wanted to come in here and take a look and see if we had a new update there. So yeah, 10 millibar pressure drop over the span of 19 minutes, and just take my word for it, that's uncommonly crazy. And the winds went from around 20 to gusting up to 40 miles per hour. So it's probably going to last maybe an hour or so with those gusty winds, but when that wind is cranking, it's gonna jump up there at 40 to 50 miles per hour. In other news, there is your severe outlook. Now, that slight risk, it does cover parts of southern Beauregard, Allen, Evangeline, and St. Landry Parish. Again, I kind of think that area is the one where we're looking at the threat lingering still, but things are going to be improving area-wide here over the next little while, although we are again going to see those gusty winds. Now, check this out. Power outages. Beauregard Parish. You're looking at 10,000 customers without power, and I had this up earlier. I want to see how many customers there are. I think it was 16,000 or something like that. So yeah, That is out of, and now they're up to 11,000 in the latest, out of 20,700. Allen Parish now up to 6,500. These update every 5-10 minutes here. So we're seeing them increase. As of this right here, we're looking at about 25,000 people without power, customers without power in the area. And I think these numbers are going to come up across Evangeline and St. Landry. And then eventually, I think we're going to see maybe even more of this sneaking into Rapides. Sabine jumped up to 1,500 as that wake low moved across and kind of cut out some of the power as those winds were gusting to 40 and 50 miles per hour. But clearly, Beauregard and Allen Parish are the worst off right now, as these storms have packed a lot of wind, and they are about to wind down here across the area. And then behind that, not much going on. And I'm telling you, I'm getting more encouraged about tomorrow as I look at more data. I'm going to have a full forecast in the morning and everything, and I'm going to be up until this all clears. I thought I was going to be up most of the night, so this is like bonus time for me. But still severe thunderstorms possible. Southern Louisiana toward New Orleans, Baton Rouge about to get hammered once again, and then some heavy storms coming into St. Landry Parish. But you can see that northern end of the line not containing any warnings. Let me check that lightning data out. And yeah, it's all just kind of moving on toward the east. Let's put it in motion and show you. If you didn't believe me, there you go. Take the lightning off. Quick end to the rain coming through here. We will take a look real quick here. I'm going to show you the accumulation. Go back 12 hours. And we ended up, with, I was talking 2 to 5 inches of rain. So let's see. And I was thinking the heavier stuff would be down south. Now, this, when I say that, I mean, I'm going to show you here. Yeah, 5 there, we have 2 there. So yeah, we were a little lighter than I was thinking up here. So that was not patting myself on the back. I thought it was going to be lighter up this way. But that heavier core of rainfall pretty much fell from central Vernon, southern Rapides, down through St. Landry, Evangeline, Allen, and Beauregard parishes, where it has just been an endless stream of rainfall. Now, let me take that off, put things in motion, and wrap it up, hopefully for the night, unless we get another significant warning. But I did want to get on just to note that wake low, that's basically going to bring some gusty wind into the backside of this thing. So if you're experiencing some strong gusty wind right now, yeah, DeRidder was very windy here. Big gust of wind still. Nothing really crossing in from Texas right now. And again, models are showing that it looks like this system might have given us enough of a lull to break things down for the rest of the night and not give us much of a threat for anything apart from some scattered showers coming in. I am still watching out here into Texas. I'm going to be getting up through the night and watching things and just kind of making sure everything's good, because we want this to be a full service weather station here where we take care of you, and you can depend on us 24 hours a day. And it's only 2 of us, but that's all right. We love weather. We're watching it anyway. I mean, when I'm not doing this, I'm literally watching chasers and stuff in other parts of the country. Now, some more good news. I think we're going to start getting some of those cameras installed. Actually, Brett Adair, the one I was streaming earlier, he's the fella who's doing this. So luckily, he's out there chasing for us tonight, and then he's going to help me get some of those. We're going to get some of those set in tomorrow. So I'll keep you posted on all of that. Again, we couldn't do this without you guys. I appreciate your help. I appreciate all the sponsors: Igloo Roofing, Buckets Crawfish and Seafood, all of you guys. I mean, everybody from the app to the website. We want to do this right, so we cannot do this without you, and we can't do it without you guys watching and supporting this. So thank you very much. I hope you did not take it on the chin too hard tonight, but I know a lot of folks are sitting there in the dark. Hopefully that power comes on quickly and we get most of you restored by tomorrow. I will sign off for now, and I'll be watching things through the evening, but that's about it for now. See you later.